Well, happy Saturday, everyone. Oh, my hair looks crazy. Oh well. We're vlogging pretty late today.
6:45.
Yeah, it's late. In the back seat, Mark just got me a bike. So we're gonna go bike riding since the weather's getting nicer. So we're heading back to his house to get his bike. And
I'm trying to fit it in my car.
So we can at least go
I have a
ride.
hatchback, and I'm surprised this fit in it.
It wasn't so bad. Well, his seat's reclined, so it
So I'm gonna see if I can put my bike on top of her bike.
won't be that bad.
And we're gonna drive to the park. I'm not riding to the park because that hill was ridiculous.
The hills here are kind of steep, and we're fresh to this, so we could even go like any other place, like the bridge, or there's other parks around here. It'd be real fun. See if we can hook the GoPro up to that. That'd be funny too. Get a cool shot. Oh, the sun is serious. Look at that. Hello.
This is her brand new bike. I used to be able to ride with no hands. I'm scared now. Well, they should be on the other side of the street. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Catch up. Catch up. Come on. We just did a 1.5 mile bike ride, and guess who's out of shape? No, she can't even walk. She's complaining the whole way over here.
Look how peeling I am.
Complaining the whole way over here.
Hell yeah.
Talking about I'm out of shape. I did fine.
I chugged a bottle of water and I don't feel good.
You were supposed to chug it.
It's hot. Something happened to my bike. The kickstand's not working. It's funny, right? It's like extra short. Where are we saying?
I don't know, but so we rode 2.5 miles.
Yep, we used
a 20-minute ride, and I was actually pretty okay.
We used the app, so it says 2.76 miles in 20 minutes and 18 seconds. It shows all of what we rode. Let me see if I can zoom out. All that's red is what we just did.
Can you scratch my arm? No, up, right there, underneath the strip.
You're such a bear. Yesterday was your back. Today's your arm.
Stop moving your hand. Why are you moving your hand? Just scratch. Don't move your hand anywhere. Scratch. I'll move my arm around. Thank you. Scratch.
I am.
No, you're not.
Scratch your own arm.
Scratch.
Ow! I'm peeling.
So we're at Victory Field.
Yeah. Check out how green the trees look. That's when you know it's almost summer.
It is summer.
Almost summer. We're gonna see the sunset.
Here we go on another bike ride. What are we gonna do? Like another mile or two? She's recording. I'm recording.
I don't know.
She's recording. I'm recording.
Trying. This is tiring. Check out that sunset. Dope.
Wow, what a night. So we had a nice little bike ride.
Yeah, it was something new for both of us, so.
Now we are having dinner. Well, we had dinner already.
Yeah, we had dinner. Ate some healthy, yummy Spanish food. And
we're gonna call it a night. It's early. It's about 10 o'clock, and we're gonna call it a night. Tomorrow, I'm riding my bike to work.
I'm gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna text them real early in the morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna ride my bike to work. Let's see how that works. I mean, I did good today. We rode, what, 4.5 miles today? Work is 6 miles, so should be good.
Yeah.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Well, I have a nail appointment in the
Okay. So we'll see you tomorrow. Time to say goodnight.
Bye.
Good night.